haven't got that
My bad. Behind you. Behind you.
Put it on the head.
Oh, yeah. I was like, they'll eventually go down. They'll eventually go down.
See, this, what? What? What?
How did I miss that one? You son. Come back here.
That's how you do it. Yes,
Did see that.
I see it. It's lost.
Hey, you're missing your archer down here.
Sorry.
Two of them.
Yeah, I already got it. Up. Okay, you're ready.
We got one for next round.
One only one.
Oh, two. One
Two,
up
sure.
here on this ledge and one in there at the middle. Okay.
Risky.
Oh, we got a key in here.
Oh, here. I got the key too. Right. Oh, yun.
Yay.
100 points.
So much money.
Okay, push it, push it, push it, push it. Push this door, push this door.
Let's go. Try it. I got you. Don't worry. I'm your champion. I will smite them.
You're not yet.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Over here on this side. Here. Up top. Right here. We don't have any extra this round. Alright, where's the key?
Oh, this is the last.
Oh, was that the end?
Yeah.
That was... Okay, I got a key.
Where's the door? Okay, 2 doors. What's that there?
Up potion on a table and a potion on a table. And that's it.
I got
What's
two
in here?
here. Ooh, chest. Haha. That's it.
Whoa. Oh, there was another key in here.
Where?
It was on the table. I just picked it up.
Maybe that's one for that. And
Crazy. All right. So yeah. See, we already finished 2 of them. Hopefully something good. Come on. Come to daddy. 150.
big pants.
Purple hair.
Unique
A unique
medium
axe.
sword.